Warning, this video may have inappropriate pictures and content. Hello and welcome to part 2 of Craftbukkit server setup tutorial. And in this episode I said we were gonna get familiar with Bukkit GUI, I mean, right here, its features and stuff. So let's just get started. So here you have like general tab, and all what you can see here is all the info the server is outputting, player events and stuff like that, and you can type in commands here. Example: whitelist, remove. What? Did I miss a letter? Yep, I missed a letter. So yeah, and it has this really good feature, because if you remember in when you have like the console instead of Bukkit GUI, you have to type say to say something. Now all you need to do is hold this and you can type. I will now output that to players and stuff. On the left here you have a players tab. So if I join the game now, all players on the server will show up here. It's a bit buggy, so sometimes some players show up twice with the same name. But what you can do here is right click, you can ope them, de-ope them, kick, ban, give them stuff, and you can refresh list. And I like this very much. It's so helpful just to right click and kick instead of writing it. Here you have different tasks. You can stop the server, you can restart it, and you can reload it. Reload just reloads all the files. Restart actually restarts the whole thing. And kill will kill the server, as in the same way it would be like if you just shut the machine down while the server was running. So not recommended. And here we have some bars. This means how much processor usage this program is using currently. Not a lot. How much the whole server is using, and how much it uses in total. And right here you can see how long the server's been on for. Then we have the RAM usage, pretty useful. Right now it's only using 233 megabytes, which is nice. So yeah, done with this tab. You have the players tab. If I log in again, you can see IP. This is my eternal IP. You can see the location, as in country and stuff. The time joined, if he's whitelisted, or if he's open. So this is a really good way to check stuff. Superstart, we've already been here. You choose the amount of RAM, max RAM it allows to use, and the minimum RAM, and Java version, all that stuff. And here you can set up a remote server, but we're not gonna go too much into that right now. And you can also download the latest recommended build for Craftbukkit, or you can just go to dl.bukkit.org and get it. Error logging just gives you a bunch of errors. So I haven't had any errors so far, so yeah. Task manager, this one is, I love this one, because let's make this a restart. You can make it do tasks like restart the server. Trigger type, server stop. Oops, server start. No. Oh, this is okay. You can choose whatever you want. Server stop. Type restart server. So I like this feature a lot, because you can restart servers. You can make all players leave, and there's so much you can do here. So I love this a lot. From here you can add plugins, search for plugins, different categories and stuff. Come on, let me click you. Right click for options, double click for details. Not responding. Perfect. Server didn't have response times. Okay, I don't know what happened here, but probably a bug. Server options. Here you can easily edit whitelist, OPS, banned players, banned IPs, and the properties file. You just right click and click edit. You can also change the name of everything. So this is pretty cool. And here you can add backups, when it's gonna be, when what folders to backup. Yeah, you can choose folders to backup and where to store the backup. So I like this feature a lot too, because you won't have to download a fucking backup plugin. It just takes more RAM. And here, options and info. I love this page so much. You can choose what tab pages, these right here, to show. You can choose if the server should run when the GUI starts, if it should check for updates on startup. You can update it here. You can choose the language and config location. Fuck that. Damn it. You were not supposed to download data, you stupid program. Okay. Here you can choose tray and sound. This will give you a warning sound. If you want warning sound on when player join and leave, you do that. And all this. On severe, yep. Here you can change colors. Info, that's info messages from server start. So now it's black. Yeah, now it's black, sorry. You can choose color of player events. We're gonna make this green. Want info to be, yeah, want info to be black. Warning, red, and severe red, and unknown just yellow. You can choose a cool font. Choose the font size. So like if you don't have really good eyes and stuff, you can have it this big. Or you can have it just normal, 10. Here you can reset all settings and tell them what you think. And you can also donate, which I highly recommend, because this is a project worth donating to. And here you have all the computer info and stuff. So a lot of this is easy to figure out yourself, but I thought I'd just go through it with you. So yeah, thanks for watching. And oh, by the way, in part 3 we're gonna do port forwarding, and port forwarding is needed for other players outside your network to join this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in part 3.